It is often said that foreign is not a bed of roses. Yes, I too can tell you it's not a bed of roses. Living here, sometimes ends cannot meet. You have to work 2 jobs for ends to meet. When you're traveling on a day-to-day basis to work and you don't drive, Uber takes a lot of money. So sometimes you're just working for fare and the bills. Living in, sometimes it's not in your comfort zone. But you have to put your shoulder to the wheel and do what you got to do. Meaning that sometimes sleeping arrangement is not comfy as your own home. You leave your nice, comfortable, cozy bed, work, sofa, you gotta sleep on the sofa. Or you gotta pull out the sofa and there's a little bed inside. You got to sleep on that. Or there's a little single bed. You roll it out when night come. And when morning, you roll it back up and put it in a little naughty corner. It's not easy. I remember having a client. I'm sharing my life experience. I remember having a client. One day the client fell. I was in my room sleeping in my bed and the client fell. Called the 911, they took her to the hospital. You see, because I don't want that client to fall again, I make sure get some sheet and pitch tent right at the client bedside on the floor, because I'm from Jamaica. Tough. Put it on the floor and sleep until the morning. I've worked job where I had to pull out the sofa. Bed bug bite me from left, right, and center. Bed bug. You can't run left the job because it's what giving you money. I had to tell my boss, listen up. You got to do something. She called in the pest control. The pest control came in and they spray. I thought the trouble was over. There come the bed bug again. They didn't go on anywhere. They run and hide because he didn't see any. So when he came back a second time, he told me to put them in a Ziploc bag. When I see them, put them in a Ziploc bag. So I put them in a Ziploc bag now and close the Ziploc bag and say, see it there? But he saw where, you know, the bed bugs, they always lay egg and have some spotting. So he saw the spotting, so he knew that they were there. Anyway, that still didn't get rid of them. A second spray did not get rid of them. It comes so very annoying now. I told my boss, the problem is not solved. I can recall she got in a team from New Jersey and the team came in, and when the team came in, we had was to take out deodorant, anything that could melt, candle, anything that could melt. And it was in the winter, you know. My client and I went down to the McDonald's to sit down. They turn on the heat in the house. You see, when you touch back in that house, it felt like you was in an oven. All the sheet, there was hot like they was coming out of the dryer. I had to open the windows for some cool air. Remember, this is in winter. Cool air to come in, to cool down the temperature. Well, any bed bug was there, they got scorched because they don't like heat. By this time, guess what happened? I took the bed bugs home. It was another story right here. One day I was doing spring cleaning, and when I lift up the mattress, you see, when I see bed bug, I put my hand on my head like do like this. I said, Jesus, what I'm gonna do now? Anyway, I started to spray, and I spray, and I end up buying a bed bug steamer. I steam from left to right. I got the little thing you could put the bed foot in, and I put powder in them. Spray the mattress with powder, because if you use powder or flour, you know, they're blind, they can't see where they're going. Anyway, you see, when I go around the next room and I look on the screen curtain, oh my goodness. I had was to take down the curtain, put mattress cover on the mattress. I just had to take the curtain and just put it in the shower, in the tub, and spray hot water and wash. When you look on egg and ooh, and then they start to go to the sofa. Now I have to start steam the carpet, steam the sofa. It was a hell of a job. Anyway, get rid of them with the heat. I was working at this other job now. Comfortable. So my first night on the job, I felt something biting me in my neck. This is living job, biting me. I got up in the night and turned on the light and go like this. You see, when I go like this, I said, Savior divine, this is going to start all over again. I don't want to carry them in my house. So I told the employer that, no, you got to do something. So I take my steamer to that job, and I steam and I steam. Those bed bugs were so bad I couldn't get rid of those. I said, you got to throw the mattress. You got to throw this bed away. He told me he got the mattress from a man who worked on the train. He was throwing out the mattress and he took up the mattress. Look here. You see, mattress in America, when you see somebody throw out mattress, don't take it. If you take it, you're going to take one bed bug. And little did he know, it was the frame of the mattress. It's not because he bought a new mattress from Macy's. But it was the frame of the bed that the bed bug live in. And no matter how you use a steamer, you couldn't get rid of those bed bugs. They were bad. Anyway, he threw away the bed frame, and I put the mattress in a mattress bag, and then we get rid of them. I steam the floor and get rid of them. So sometimes when you're working, you have to go through hell and high water. No job ain't easy. You have to sacrifice. Sometimes I've heard from co-worker who is just working from paycheck to paycheck. They can't afford certain things. And when somebody call from Jamaica and you tell them, I don't have any money, they don't believe you. When somebody tell you that they don't have money and they're working, believe them, because it's not everybody is telling you that they don't have any money. Most time, one job can't cut it. They have to be working two jobs and still the ends can't meet. Moreover, when they're a single parent or a single household with just one woman working. It's hard and it's tough. Sometimes you have to work two jobs. Why you work two jobs? Because most of these jobs, they only want you to work 40 hours. And that 40-hour week job cannot pay bills. And you're getting job every 2 weeks. Why most people work with agencies sometimes is because when you work with these facilities or hospital or nursing home, you can't get no time off until you do a year. When you work with an agency, Just put in your time in and you're gone about your business. You're gone. Put in your time and you're gone. More money too. Put in your time and you're gone. But people work at these places. I'm not shooting them down, but people work to get the benefit. Because long term, you get more benefit and you get more when you get old, grow old or get old. So it's not easy here. It's not easy. People not giving nothing here. You say if you don't have any money, you have to stay without. It's not easy to beg or to borrow from anybody here. Jamaica, living in Jamaica, I didn't work so hard. Living in Jamaica, somebody will give you this and give you that. But here, nobody now give you nothing. Jamaicans don't know how fortunate they are and how blessed they are to have things like food grow naturally. Fruits grow natural. You can get a banana from your next door neighbor. If they dig yam, you can get a piece of yam. Somebody will come with like a ackee come give you. Somebody will come visit you. Them always a carry one little bag with something come give you. Here, don't expect that. Don't expect that. You see, when you have your money here, you have to save your money. Because when you're sick, nobody not see you. When you're down on your face, nobody not see you. So you have to take care of yourself. And the kindness that you share or used to share sometimes, you have to look within yourself and say, yes, you're a kind person. But sometimes, kindness, you have to do you. You have to take time and do you. Because if you follow to do everybody, nobody not doing you. When you're not working, who is going to give you money when you're not working? When you give away all your money, who is going to give you money when you're not working? Who is going to see you when you're sick and you can't move about? How your bills is going to take care of? What are you planning for the future? What are your long-term goals for the future? Retirement. Nobody now see you. When you're old, nobody now see you. So everybody are tighten up on their money now. Everybody are not where they cannot and run with when they can run with. I used to give. Look here, that person has left the park. That person ain't no more. Why? If I give and give and give, when I old, I have nothing to take care of myself. So now I am spending the money on myself and I am taking care of myself and my mother. My mother. So I put out all the effort right there. Taking care of me now. So I'm telling you, it's not an easy road here and it's not a walk in the park.